the first thing we need to do is to create a new composition. Okay, so for this tutorial we're using 1920 by 1080. Okay, then I'll make it 10 seconds. Okay, when you're done, you click OK. So let's add a new, or let's add a solid color. Come to effects and presets and search for gradient ramp. So place it over here. So for this I'll change it to dark green. Okay, then I'll make this lighter shade. Okay, so let's type our text. Bring down the text just like this. Okay, so let's reduce the tracking and make it minus 200 is fine. Okay, so and the last thing we need to do is to bring down the opacity to 0. Click on this range selector and let's add a keyframe here. So move to 1 second front and bring this to 100%. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a like and comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you love about this tutorial and tell me what you want me to upload next. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay creative.